Hi everyone, how you doing? Today we're going to be looking at how to make one of these lightning bolt weaves with ball and loop or ball and pretty cool hammer bead. So there you go. Right, here we go. Now, the middle cord, I put my hammer bead on and then fused the two cords together like that. I hope you can see that. Like that. And then I'm using a jig. Now, I'm only using the jig to make things easier for you to see. But otherwise, I'd get some sellotape or gaffer tape or something and just stick it to the table to keep things steady. I've got two cords, red, grey, grey, red. They're about 5 foot long each, but the length of the cord all depends on how big your wrist is, really. So I'm using about 5 foot of cord each. You might need more, you might need less, who knows? But that's roughly the size. Right, here we go. This is the setup. We haven't actually started the weave yet. It's the setup. So what I'm going to do is leave about 1/2 centimetre at the top for the loop. I'm going to do a cobra weave. So start with the left one. Cobra weave goes over the top. The grey cord goes over the red one like that, behind everything and out the other side like that. Cinch it up. See, it is quite fiddly, that's why I'm using the jig like that. And then we're doing the other part, a half hitch. It's going to go over the top, behind the middle cords and out the other side. Cinch it all up like that. So I did a cobra weave with the red cord and a 1/2 inch over the top. Now this is the actual weave, okay? It's pretty simple. Start on the left hand side. Got my grey cord. Going to do a 1/2 hitch, but it's going to do underneath the middle cords like that. And it's going to go over the top and through the hole. Cinch it all up. Wave the jig around all over the place. Like that. So I've done a 1/2 hitch. Now I'm going to do a cobra weave again. Over the top of the middle cords. The red cord goes over the top like that. Behind everything. Back out the other side. Cinch it all up. Like that. And then the grey cord does another 1/2 hitch over the top of the middle cords, behind everything, out the other side. Cinch it all up. Do it all over again with the red cord. Start on the left. The left side always goes 1/2 hitch under the middle cords, like that. Underneath, back and through the hole. Like that. Cinch it all up. Then it goes cobra weave again, over the top of the middle cord. Grey cord goes over the top of the red, behind everything and out the other side. Like that. Cinch it all up. And still with the red cord, half hitch over the top, like that. Behind everything and out the other side. Cinch it all up. Like that. And that is your Thunderbolt weave. Thunderbolt weave. There you go, really easy to do. You can see the pattern coming through, and you just keep going all the way down to the bottom. So there you go. Don't forget, the left hand side is half hitch under to start with, and you finish off the move with the half hitch over the top. So there you go. I shall carry on and get to the end, and then I'll show you what else to do. Okay. Right, so there you go. I've got to the end of the bracelet, and the only other thing I need to say is make sure you end the bracelet on a cobra weave. That makes everything nice and easy when you snip and singe. So you got one cord coming out that side, and the other one coming out that side. Nice and easy, makes it nice and tidy as well. So there you go. Now what I'm going to do is snip and singe, and then that is your end of your bracelet. Right, so there you go, that's your lightning bolt weave. It's pretty good, didn't take too long. The cool thing about this weave is it's reversible. So if you're using ball and loop, or you've got flat buckles, on one side you've got the lightning bolt weave. If you turn it over, on the other side you've got the boxed in weave. So you got two bracelets for the price of one. How cool is that? So yeah, there you go. Hope my big chunky fingers didn't get in the way. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Check out the Amazon links down below in the description somewhere. That helps support the channel. And I will see you next time. Okay, bye. Hi everyone, today we're going to do a hammer bead. No, we're not.